had Guardian Roofing come out and give me an estimate along with a couple other companies, and Guardian Roofing really just gave me a lot of detail that the other companies didn't give, and a great estimate, so I went with them. They totally replaced my roof, and I had an amazing experience. They were professional. They sent me videos on my phone, so I knew what was happening in real time, and I came home every day. Everything was cleaned up, and I was just really appreciative. And then they did a follow-up, and this is what stuck out to me, is that the places where they had put nails or things into the roof, they came back out and they painted. So everything looked like it was tidied up, like they had never been there, except for there was a brand new roof on. And then they called and made sure that I knew exactly what they had done on my roof, and just know that every detail had been accounted for. And I really appreciate the time with Guardian Roofing, and I would choose them again.